Someone finally made Apple quit Lightning and move towards the USB-C, and that someone is not the environment. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that Apple iPhones are not shifted towards the USB-C, whereas rest of the companies are moving towards USB-C. And the fact that USB-C is quite fast and you can transfer data quite easily. So Apple was not doing that, since you already know that European Union are making a legislation in which every smartphone company will have to follow and make their smartphones to have a USB-C port. Apple was not doing that because they were the only company that are still selling the Lightning port right now and making a lot of money from that. Now this is finally going to be changing thanks to EU. Apple is finally preparing a USB-C iPhone for the next year in 2023. According to the two most trusted Apple leaker in the game, Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 15 series could have a USB-C port. Gurman even reports that Apple is already testing out some iPhones with the USB-C port for the next year. He also reports that Apple is working on an adapter that would allow future iPhone models to work with the current accessories that are made for the Lightning connector. Thanks to USB-C, we could even see a faster charging speed and even faster data transfer speed. Just to give you a recap, European Union made this a new rule that says that all the tech devices, not just the phones or the laptops, pretty much everything, even consoles and controllers, all of them should have one common port, which is the USB Type-C. This rule go major words in parliaments and it's on its way to implementing. Apple has to follow this, otherwise they will not be allowed to sell their iPhones in Europe. They also fail to have wireless port solution ready in time, so very likely USB-C is the future. With this news, we can say that iPhone 14 will probably be the last model to have the Lightning port. Now speaking about the iPhone 14, they are going to be the most expensive iPhone lineup ever. Yes, according to the latest rumors, all the iPhone 14 models are expected to be $100 more expensive than the previous model. And this was on the cards just because of the supply chain issue that we are facing right now. And guys, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this new price increase? Do you think it's justified? Since they are finally bringing a new design chip. We are also getting a 48 megapixel of a main camera system with a possible 8K video recording. Apple A16 is going to be coming for the Pro models and there is a lot to look forward for sure. But yeah, price increase might not be a good news for most people. And if you can wait, Type-C is coming next year as Apple is currently testing it out on some iPhone models. So yeah, it's actually finally happening, which is kind of unbelievable because everyone thought that Apple is just invincible, but seems like they are going to follow the rule. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.